This is your girl Eva Tarae, right back at you for another video. Today I decided to do something sultry, something purple. It's actually one of my favorite colors, although I don't have one. Who knows? Anyways, so I just wanted to come and do this for you. Also did a purple lip, super cute. I don't think it's overbearing. It's just enough, not too much. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Going in with my Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara, just cleaning up my eyebrows that I've already done off camera. Then I'm gonna go in with my washi tape. This helps me make sure my lines are really straight, really inexpensive. You can get this at the Dollar Tree, or you can use regular tape if you want. Going in with my concealer, I'm going to use that as my eyeshadow base today, so I'm just blending that out. Then I am going to set it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. Going in with my Marciano eyeshadow in Mesmerize. I'm going to use that on my brow bone. Next, I'm going to go in with my Ben Nye eyeshadow in Deep Violet. Staying right under the brow bone, right above my crease. Then I'm going to go in with my Zodiac palette and grab the, I believe that was Taurus, and I'm actually going to put this purple in my crease. Taking my MAC Odd Couple, this is a limited edition. I've had this thing, I don't know, for years. Just haven't played in it much. But today I'm going to grab that and put that all over the lid. Then I'm going to grab my Urban Decay palette and go in with Omen, which is a opalescent-ish purple, if that makes sense. It's really pretty. Going in with my Naked palette, I'm going to grab my also favorite In Fuego and put that in the corner, working it in just a little. Cleaning up my fallout. Then I'm going to go in with the brush. It's actually a paint brush. I bought it from Michael's maybe a few years ago. It's definitely not a traditional makeup brush, but I mean, makeup has no rules. It has the perfect brush tip to help me get really sharp lines. So ladies, use whatever you have, whatever you think is going to work for you. I'm using my Stila Smudge Pot. I love this eyeliner. Just making sure my lines are really, really crispy. Now that I have that set, I'm going to go ahead and remove my washi tape. Pulling it off really gently. Then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me in 360. I did place it on with my silicone pad. just to make sure I get it all over. I'm actually not going to use this to blend it. I felt like my It Cosmetics brush was using too much product or soaking up too much product, is why I did it that way this time. And I actually like this technique. I think I'm going to use it again in the future. So trial and error, ladies, trial and error. Go ahead and blending this all the way out, making sure there are no lines. Everything is blended pretty well. Going in with my Tarte concealer, getting ready to highlight. Going in with my mini beauty blender, I am going to start blending it out. I did wet it with water before I sat down to do my makeup, so it's pretty saturated, but I did wring it as dry as I could. I like the little one. It gets in my under eye area a little bit better. Then I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to start contouring. The brush that I'm using is, I believe, a blush brush. It's a brand that I got off Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it below for you guys. But I love it for contouring. It's the perfect size. Look at that face. Going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep, and going to go ahead and set my highlight. Today I decided I didn't want to bake too long, so now I'm just kind of smoothing it away and blending it out, making sure that everything is seamless. I did do my falsies off camera, and now I'm just applying my mascara to blend my eyelashes and my falsies together. Going in with my What's Up to set my base for my inner corner highlight. Then I grab my Amazonian Princess. It's actually a bronzer, but I of course love it as a highlight. I sprayed my face down with my Mario Badescu. It's the rose water one. And just kind of drying it out. I peeked over in the corner because my grandson's over there. so he's yapping at me. Then I'm gonna go in with some more of that Tarte bronzer, and I'm going to continue to highlight the rest of my face, cheekbones, Cupid's bow, my nose. Then I'm gonna grab my MAC lip liner in Night Moth to line my lips. It's a dark purpley color. Giving my lipstick a great foundation. And then I'm gonna go in with a purplish lipstick. It's called Milia's Plum. It's actually a Revlon lipstick. I've had it for, no, correction, it's a L'Oreal lipstick. I've had it for a little while. Then I'm gonna go and do my blush, and I used MAC's Raisin. And there's the finished look, ladies. I hope you enjoy. Until next time, diamonds.